super excited. I got this package from Russia about 2 nights ago, and this is from the brand Bernovich. They have a ton of single eyeshadows, and I heard about this brand from badtothebrow, who found it on Mia's Virtual Vanity. And Mia's Virtual Vanity is a small beauty channel. It's definitely not as small as mine, but we definitely want to give credit to her because these are supposedly amazing. As you can see, I have yet to even taken them out of the packaging, so I figured we would try to experience these together. I am gonna have to put them back into, actually no, I did buy one empty palette, so we will see if we can fit them all in there. And yeah, I'm so very excited. I'm planning to swatch them as we go so we can really see them on the skin. So if you're interested, keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Samantha. I am a mom of 3 and a makeup enthusiast. I don't take myself too seriously, and neither should you. And yeah, let's get started on this. Also, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out, especially if you like videos like this. Then that will allow me to eventually make more of them. So here we go. So it did take a while to get these shadows here. Obviously they had to go through customs and all of that, but I'm so excited. It does look like they have some kind of like foam in the packaging to make sure they arrive safely, which is much appreciated. I'm trying not to move in a way so much to like move the camera, and so if it's a little wobbly, I'm sorry in advance. And the eyeshadows, I will say, were really affordable. None of them were over $10, so that I thought was completely mind-blowing. So it really was like, why not? It can't hurt. Doesn't have a very strong magnet, but it's very cute. Has some kind of family crest on there. Alright, so here we go. They have a couple, like 2 different formulas. I think like a matte and then a sparkle. I got mostly a sparkle. Okay, creative. Sparkle. I'm guessing this is a matte. I didn't get too many mattes because, I mean, I have a lot of basic mattes. So let me see if I can kind of organize these in category. As you can see, I got a lot of the sparkle shades. We'll start with these ones because there's just like a matte black. It's hard to find a matte black, so I always buy a matte black and when I get singles. And then these are 2 creatives, which I want to say they were like their duochromes. I'll put the information in the box just to, you know, make sure that it's clear. And oh, they look so pretty in the box, so I can't wait to take them out. We'll start with these and then we'll take it from there. So this is the black shade, and they do have the number on the back, which is appreciative. So it comes with 1.5 grams of product within each box. This is the shade 106. I'm pretty sure like all their shades are numbers and not names. So I thought that, ooh, that felt really soft and creamy. And that looks pretty good. It's a little more charcoalish black than just straight black, but it went on really nicely. So we'll throw that in there. We'll see how many we can actually fit in this palette. This is one of the creative shades. number 197. I don't know what the kids are doing upstairs, but they're making noise. This is like a pink to gold kind of satin. I don't know if you can see. Let me just do one more layer on there. This is another creative shade, 194. Oh, this is like really, really beautiful. It looks like I'm gonna be obsessed with this. It's like a green with a red base. Oh, that is gorgeous. Eventually I'll probably take these out and resort them to actually like look like a palette that I can use like with a color story, but for now this is what we're working with. All right, so we're getting now into the sparkle shades, and these you can't really see through the box because it does look like they have some kind of foam or something protecting them, so I'm assuming they're a little flaky just because they have that. They probably were afraid of them breaking. Did you guys just see that? Okay, I'm gonna put that back just for a second so we can see the number on the back because I wasn't expecting that magic. So this is X19. I mean, that is stunning. Okay, I can't even wait to get my finger in there. Oh, do you see the magic? Okay, let's put that. It feels like a glitter, almost. I don't know if you can see that. It looks and feels like glitter. I'm actually, for the time being, I think I'm gonna keep these in here. I just want to be like see them all before I put them in the case. This is the shade X10. This one doesn't look nearly as flaky, but I don't know if you see, it's like pink, peach, gold, super reflective, super flaky, more metallic than that last one. This one I actually feel like more confident to take her out of the packaging. I wonder if I turn the lights down, you can see what I'm talking. It's a duochrome. It's like peachy gold, and then you can definitely see this is more of a glitter. This is kind of shifty. It's like a green with a base. This is pink and gold, but it's more satin. And then this is a black. I think I'm gonna film the rest of the video like this. I know it's a little dark, but I think you're gonna be able to see the shadows just a little bit better. So this is X23. This is really flaky like that first green one. More, doesn't feel like a glitter though. This is like a pink with a purple blue shift. Really, really metallic. I do feel comfortable taking that one out. This one is X07. This is like a fiery red with a gold. Oh, and it's definitely that on the face. Beautiful. Oh, so gorgeous. This one is X01. It looks like a straight glitter. Oh, it feels like a glitter. I think some of these are glitter, like pressed glitters. This one definitely feels like a pressed glitter, and it looks like a pressed glitter. It's 100% pressed glitter. So this one's like a pressed glitter. This one feels like a pressed glitter. These feel like actual shadows. And I ordered these so long ago, I honestly can't remember if the description read that. I may put like the pressed glitters in a small palette separate because I do like that. So that if I want to use a pressed glitter, you know, just have that designated little palette for it. This is X21. Oh, this is like a purple with a green shift. Really stunning. I hope you can see it. This one is X21. Oh, this is like a teal with like a lighter teal. Reminds me of the Little Mermaid. X15. Oh, orange with a pink shift. This one's a little bit chunkier. But once blended in is very, very sparkly. I don't know if you can see. It's like orange and pink. This one is X11. And it's definitely like a purple burgundy like base. Has very like fine particles in it. Just so smooth. All right, I'm gonna clean off my arm because I don't have any more space. This is X12. Oh, this is gonna be one of my favorites. I can already tell because it's a green with like a burgundy base, and that's always one of my favorites. You can see the shift. This is X8. Oh, a pink with like a plummy base to it. Very metallic. This one is X25. Very bright teal. Like definitely different. This one's more aqua teal and this one has more blue to it. And this one's very metallic. This one is X22. And this is more of a purple and blue situation. I don't know if you can see the purple in there. This is X04. This is like a pale icy peach. Very, very beautiful, beautiful shade. This one's a little sheer. Right, that one took the last spot of this palette, but they look absolutely stunning. So we have two of the glitter ones that I'm going to probably put in a glitter palette that I'm going to put together, and then I have two more of these. And I will keep the packaging on these until I house them. This one is X16. Beautiful fuchsia shade. metallic, very metallic looking. And then this one is X2. X02. And this is a very icy white shade. It's a little bit flaky feeling, kind of like the peachy one from before. You kind of have to rub it in, but it does look really beautiful and sparkly when on the skin. Wow. Yeah guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down, and please subscribe to my channel. It will really help me out. And until next time, love you guys. Bye.